So it's a rainy day out here in Phoenix, Arizona. We got a big job to do. Is it that big? We'll get in there and find out. Definitely working, rain or shine. We gotta change the heater core in that vehicle. It's a 2007 Dodge Caravan. We're gonna see what it looks like and how hard it's gonna be to get in there and replace it. Oh, definitely leaking up in here. Where's that heater core? It's up here somewhere. I'm going to take off this cover here. This is by the brake pedal, gas pedal. Then number 8 there, number 8 there. That cover should come right off. That's the heater core right there. Very easy to do. So we're going to attempt that, and we'll be right back with some other pictures. The plastic case. Let's see what we're talking about here. Oh, so he took the case off. That's the heater core right there. Now we gotta take these locks off. Hose clamps. Yeah. All right. Next step. All right. So the pin of the pin of the brake pedal.
Booster. Yeah.
To the booster.
Where it hooks to the booster. Okay. So now I just want to take it to the floor, right? Just like that, it should be out the way. Alright. Come to Papa here, buddy. Come on. See, it just hits that plastic thing. Right there. Right there. Okay.
Pretty easy.
Huh? Okay, let me get this.
There it is.
So brag out here. Just gotta remember when
So there you have it, a quick rundown on replacing a heater core on a 2007 Dodge Caravan. Remove the 3 5/16 little screws for the cover. Pull out the pin for the brake pedal. Pull the middle back, push it up. It'll come right out. Take the 2 metal hose clamps off. Pull and move those out of the way. Pull the heater core out and you got it. Anybody trying it? Good luck. I also wanted to say it's too bad you can't see the picture of the date on the original heater core. It's dated February 23rd, 2007. That's tomorrow in 2020.